Hi, welcome to COVID homeschooling. We find ourselves in unusual times. A lot of us are doing things that we never imagined doing before. And if you're here, you're thinking about doing something very unusual. Homeschooling. Now, I'm going to do a series on homeschooling, but this is different than the typical how to homeschool because you probably don't feel like you're choosing to homeschool or you're hoping to do this temporarily. I actually started homeschooling this way, so I know exactly what you need to know and how to get through it successfully. My husband and I were both classroom teachers, but I've been homeschooling for 8 years now, and we have 3 kids. So let me tell you the first secret to homeschooling. No one will ever love your kids as much as you do. No one will ever be as invested in them as you are, which means you are going to be successful. Phew, what a relief, right? Now, because you're doing this with late notice or temporarily, a typical guide isn't going to work for you because you don't have either the time or the money to sink into those long-term decisions. You don't have years to figure out what your kid's learning style is or sift through the hundreds of options. You want to get school done, keep your kid from falling behind, keep your sanity, and get on with the day. And that's what we're going to talk about in these videos. So it's nothing to stress out about. There you go.